and welcome back to my channel. If your first time visiting us, karibu sana. My name is Chef Janet, and if you just stumbled at my channel, then please consider tapping the subscribe button, because today I'm going to be showing you how to make this special beef pasta stir fry. Oh my god, you just can't get enough of this. Let's have a quick rundown onto our ingredients. We have some cooking oil here. I have my spices. I'm using curry powder and Royco. I have the green bell peppers. I have the red bell peppers. I have my fresh coriander right here. I have my onions. I have my chopped carrot. I have my beef, 120 grams. And I have my pasta. So my water is almost boiling. I'm just going to put in my pasta like that. Today I decided not to break my pasta, but if you decide to break your pasta, then it is very much okay. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to add in some salt, some little bit of salt, and we are going to let this boil until it is halfway cooked. So while my pasta is continuing to cook, I'm going to make my beef here. So I've just added my oil in my pan, just like that. I'm just going to let it heat for about 1 second, then I add my onions. So adding my red onion, there we go. My onion is almost starting to brown. I'm going in with my garlic, and I'm going to give this a stir until my garlic is also starting to brown. So my onions are ready. I'm going in with my beef. So I'm using minced beef, and we're going to give this a stir and make sure that our beef is well cooked. So our minced beef is ready, and now what I'm going to do, I'm going in with my carrots, I'm going in with my green bell peppers, and I'm also going in with my red bell peppers. And we're going to give this a stir, and we're going to allow our veggies to cook for some little bit time, about 2 to 3 minutes. So we're just going to give this time until our veggies are cooked. So my pasta is also halfway done, so I'm just going to take this to my sink and strain away the water. Back to our beef again. Our veggies are perfectly done, and now I'm going with my spices. I said I'm using curry powder and Royco. Remember, you can always modify your spices according to your taste buds, what you like. And then now we are going with our tomato. I didn't list this in my ingredients, but I just discovered I was missing this one. It was just away, so I've just added my tomato, 1 large blended tomato. And I'm going to let this tomato cook until it has released all its juices. And then we come back and check. Yum, yum. See how nice my beef is looking. Oh my goodness. It's looking really delicious, very colorful from the veggies. Okay, so I'm also going in now with my pasta. Remember, we cooked our pasta till it was halfway done, and now I'm just going to be mixing all this so that every strand of my pasta is coated in my beef. Oh wow, this is looking really delicious, very, very nice. So we're just going to give this a quick stir until every strand of our pasta is coated with our beef. Oh my goodness, see how this is looking. Oh wow, yum, yum. This could be your dinner, it could be your lunch, it could be your surprise lunch to someone. This Valentine, please don't accept embarrassment. Just make this pasta, and I am sure whoever you are making it to will love this. Our pasta is almost done, and the last thing, as always, we are going to be adding our coriander or dhania. So I've just chopped my coriander really well, and I'm just going to make sure that I mix my pasta with my coriander. The coriander gives my pasta a very good flavor and taste, so I really don't want you guys to leave this out, because it's really going to make a difference. So yeah, look at how delicious our meal is looking. I hope you really try out this one of these fine days, and don't forget to leave your comment in the comments section of how yours turned out. Did your family like it? Do they ask you to make it every time? Just don't forget to like our video so that other people can also see it. Liking our video is very important. It really keeps us motivated so that we can continue shooting these mouth-watering recipes for you guys. Until next time, see you. Bye bye.